Log in to your Yoroflow account and select your license. From the left side menu, navigate to the dashboard. Open your custom dashboard and switch the mode to editing. Click Add Widget, then choose Advanced Widget to start creating a custom report. Based on your requirement, select a category from the left panel to use the available report templates. If you'd like to build a report from scratch, click Create Your Own. Enter the required details, such as the widget title, x-axis name with its metric, and the y-axis columns with their metrics. Next, move to the Design tab. Enable the toggles to display the count label and axis labels, if needed. Now go to Filters. Enable date-based filters like task created date, completed date, or due date. You can also add filters based on process lists, task status, teams, and users. Once created, the report appears on your dashboard along with other reports. You can edit it anytime. You can also change the report format. Choose from vertical bar, horizontal bar, line chart, pie chart, donut, or table view. Switch between view and edit modes whenever required. Finally, expand the report and update filters anytime to view the insights you need.